We have test scores of 10 participants. We want to get the rank and percentile rank of these scores. How to do it in Excel? Click one of the data here and go to data. Click data and data analysis appear here. If you do not see data analysis here, go to tools and choose Excel add-in. Because data analysis is an add-in tool in Excel, it doesn't automatically install when you install Excel. So you need to add it. Excel add-in, click add-in, and there's two choice: analysis tool pack and solver add-in. Because I already add-in, so look at this. I already add. But if you did not, just click here and okay. Oh, I want to point out that because different version of Excel and different computer, different laptop has different layout. If you click tools here, you cannot see the add-in. Go to the file and you shall see option here. It doesn't appear here because I already have the tool has the add-in function. So go to file and you see option here and click option and choose data analysis pack. Okay, I already have data analysis toolbox here, so I just click on it and there's a whole bunch of choice here. Right now I only care about rank and percentile. Click OK. There is a window here. Input range. Yes, I need to do it again. You select this column, including scores. So for this one, I need to put what this means. Labels in the first row because I select this data set including the letter scores. So this is not a number. This data set label. So here I click labels in first row and output range, output options. That means you can put your output in this sheet anywhere, or open a new sheet, or open a new workbook. I want to stay in this sheet. That is why I choose this one. And I want my output here. I want to put my output here. So click OK. Wow, now I got my result. Wow, so easy. I want to make bigger. Go to the home and make bigger. Okay, I got what I want. The rank and percentile rank. Actually, let's make percentile rank. You can change it. Move this. Okay, but we are not done yet because we want to be perfect. We want to create a perfect rank and percentile rank analysis table to to my boss. So here we use this one. The point. What is this the point mean? The point just mean the position. The position of this scar 6. The position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. The position of the scars 96, and the rank is 1, percentile rank is 100. So I want to put the participant's name and ID number here according to the scores and the rank and percentile rank matching. How to do it? Use in that function. Excuse me. Here we choose the participants and let's I cannot see the point. Let's get it in here. Go to here. Okay. Okay, better add another, insert another color. Okay. Okay, go to here. In this participants, the point 6, not the number. Remember, put the $sign in, put the $sign in, and enter. Wow, we got F. F is the one, the name of the participants who got 96, right? F. Yeah. F. Okay. We just write down. Wow. We got the participants' name according to the scars. That's nice. Let's put the ID number in the same index. Choose ID number, the point, not the number, not the load number. And then return. We got ID number, maybe bigger, 291 for participant F, and his score the highest 69. They are matching, so we just write down and copy, paste. Okay, we got the participant's name here. So we want to, if we want to make it in the middle. Okay. If we want to make a perfect data table, we can copy all this, copy down here, paste special. We only need value. Okay, that means this data table. Every data is independent from this data table. Remember, because we got this one from a kind of calculation, so we don't need this. So every table data here is independent. So we beautify this table, data table here. 18. Okay. We don't need these three, so we just clean the contents and paste, copy here, paste. Okay, clean it. We don't need that. Okay, so it looks nicer, and then we do more job and make a background, get more space. Okay. Just beautify the data table, and maybe make this bigger. Oh, we don't need my bow. Okay, it looks pretty nice already. Put a thick border. Okay, looks very nice. Oh no, this I want it to be percentage. Click here, and I want 2 decimal place. Okay, nice, and made more perfect. I want to make the percentage here. Put the percentage sign here, and I don't need everyone here. We just equals by 100 times return and general. Go to general. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. We need to, if we want to do it, we need to get a column again and right here. 100 times this one and return. Okay. Get a number here. And then we need to paste it again. Oh, this is a big job here. And paste this. We need to get another copy. Paste. Just click paste. And then this one. We paste this number here. Copy. Paste special. Only put value in. Okay. And then go to general. Okay. We finally get a perfect data table to our box.